Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you a quick tutorial how to create natural no makeup. I have new foundation from Kosas. You know guys, I really love Kosas concealers. I'm using every time on my beautiful models and I really love it. Now I have new babies for my makeup kit, and it's Kosas clean makeup for skincare freaks. We have nice, as always, packaging, medium coverage, SPF 25, hyaluronic essence, peptides, vitamin B5, a lot of nice stuff, silicone free, free of mineral oil, from talc, fragrances, parabens, sulfates, and phthals. So hard. Phthalates. Let's open it. It is glass bottle. We love it. Okay, it's time to open it and try it. First, I have a clean face. You can see I have redness. It's like my natural beauty. Let's try products. I choose using wet sponge and let's see. Wow, it's almost smells like nothing and it's amazing. Okay, it's more than I was expecting about coverage. We'll see. It's more than I was expecting, but I like it. It's nice medium coverage, but it looks so natural. Really. Because sometimes medium coverage products feels heavy, and this is answer for people who asking why you do makeup. Guys, before and after, boom. Don't forget to wet your sponge. Some of my clients ask me, why do you like sponges? It's so heavy, it's so hard to apply products. And I ask one perfect question. Did you wet your sponge? Huh? It's mixed with my natural skin, and now it's look more realistic and much better. You still can see a little bit redness on my face, but it feels more natural. Let's put concealer, just a little bit. I'm using concealer 3.5 and just, it's too much, just flat fluffy brush, with and without. Here. Next, it's powder time. We have Cloud Set Feathery Kosas powder. It's nice, clean package without any mirror, because after it's done you can recycle easily. I'm using brush from Kosas, small light powder 310, and just even after powder you can see a little bit luminosity or like natural shine. I really love it because in my world it means shiny skin, it's healthy skin. Nothing about matte and powdery. Do you like my makeup? I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. Next, do a Velvet Melon Color and Light Cream. I have two cream products. One of them it's more like blush, and one it's like a cream highlighter. I like to create some like natural effect without any heavy feeling makeup style. I don't know how to say, but I can show it for you guys and share with you my techniques. Okay, we got next. I'm using same tool, it's my finger, because you can warm it up a little bit products using your hands and just apply cheekbones. Almost ready, but not yet. Next step, I just put a little bit bronzer to create more sun-kissed look. And it's time for eyebrows. Life hack: how to create perfect eyebrows. Brush it down. Next, create shape. And now, brush it up. Brush it up. Much better. Same here. Easy peasy, beautiful. Makeup, it's fun. It's not routine. It's fun. Just try some new way and be more creative. Kosas has nice product. It's not heavy. It looks like more natural side. You can always apply this on your eyebrows. Oh, we have baby mascara here. Hey baby! Sample. I got it from Sephora. It's time for eyelashes. Okay, it's nice brush. First time I saw it, I was a little bit scared because I prefer small, tiny mascara brush, but it feels good. And last step, setting spray from Benefit. And don't forget about your lips. I'm using lip oil from Kosas, Jellyfish. It's pretty clear, natural.
I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes.
This is final look of natural nude fancy makeup. For this kind of makeup I spent like 7 or 10 minutes. It can be everyday makeup or makeup for work. Even it can be amazing base for your evening makeup. You can do same, and next you can add a little bit more eyeshadow or like bold lips, and you can be ready for evening. Have fun and enjoy your life. Thank you for watching me and see you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and leave comments below. Enjoy my video and see you soon. Bye.